Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can change all fonts in your design on Figma. So let us get started right away. Head over to Figma, access your design. So let me go to that website design here for demonstration purposes. And if I scroll or zoom in a bit, guys, you will see that this website design with its pages features a variety of text, and each text has its own font, like that one here or that one. So if you'd like to apply and change the font for your entire design, guys, not box by box or title by title, but for entire design, you will need to use a plugin for that, a font changer. To access these plugins, guys, click into that Figma icon in the top left corner, hold your mouse over plugins, and here you will see all installed plugins. If there's no font changer installed, guys, you may simply head over to the Figma library of plugins and use the search bar here and type in, for example, font changer or something like that, or font change, and pick a font changing plugin from that list below. So just for the sake of this tutorial, let me go with this one here because it seems to have actually quite a lot of users. So I think it has a good reputation. So click into that button here to start or to launch the given plugin. And after that, simply select your entire document or design so that all of your fonts are selected. So what you want to do is click into anywhere here in that space, and after that press Ctrl A to copy basically your entire design with all of its text. And last but not least, what you want to do, guys, is head over to the font changer, and after that you'll be redirected to that menu here. So you will see the selected fonts here. These resemble the fonts that are featured in your design, so you may simply select these to replace them. And after that, here on the right hand side, select your new font to apply it to your entire document. So let me go with, I don't know, with any one of that. So let me go with this one here, confirm by clicking on replace here in the bottom right. And that is going to replace all fonts in your document. And that's it. So let me zoom in a bit to show you proof of that. And there you go. As you can see now, that's the new font for my entire document or design. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.